Hello everyone. Today I Harpal Singh, Senior Lecturer DIET Sopore, will give a presentation on Geography as a discipline. This is a series on geography for class 11th. Geography as a discipline. Geography is an independent subject and learn about the physical environment of Earth, human activities and interactive relationship. एक ह्यूमन बीइंग की लाइफ बहुत तरह से अफेक्टेड होती है इस सराउंडिंग से. During the primitive age, man was dependent on the mother nature for food, shelter. After that was the natural mean of subsistence. With passage of time and with advancement of technology, we were able to start producing food using our natural resources. Then we were able to make houses, then roads, then cars and extra. So we were so there is an interactive relationship between the environment of the earth and the human activities. Why should we study geography? Geography gives us tools to understand these variations which take place on the surface of the earth, and which are and we can investigate the cause of these relationships over the time and space. You are able to develop skills to understand the globe converted into maps and have visual sense of earth's surface. The understanding and the skills obtained in modern scientific technologies such as GIS and computer cartography equips you with meaningfully to contribute to the national endeavor and development. What is geography? Geography is derived from the two Greek words geo meaning earth and graphos meaning prescription. So the term geography was coined by a Greek scholar Aristotle. Our earth, it is not uniform. Some part of it contain mountain, there are rivers, forests, mountains, valleys, plateau, oceans, deserts, extra. So over the surface of the earth there are the variation in the physical and social, like some social mean which are affected by human beings. Some human beings living standards is different from other. There are villages, cities, roads, railway projects, extra, and over the entire globe. So these variation provides us a clue to understand the relationship between the physical environment and the social and cultural features. The physical environment has provided us a stage on which the human activities enact their drama. These variations provide a clue to understand the relationship between the physical environment and social creature. Geography derives its database from all the natural and the social science. Natural sciences mean geography, geology, pedology, oceanography, botany and zoology, and the social sciences, which are also called as sister disciplines, like history, sociology, political science, anthropology, and an attempt a synthesis to understand how the nature and how this earth has affected the life of human being. What is geography? Various various definitions or various various explanation have been given by various geographers to explain what actually the geography is. One of the scholar has called geography as a areal differentiation, where we study the variation over the surface of earth in physical and cultural environment, and the causal relationship between any two phenomenon or between more than one example. For example, we can give a cropping pattern which differ over the surface of the earth, where the areas which have good rainfall and are not arid and have their rice is the main rice is produced as a main crop. So the soil type, climatic and the climate and other variations which are the natural variations, they differentiate the crop which should be grown in that area. One of the geographer defines geography as cause cause and effect relationship. So geography not only help us to interpret but also foresee the phenomenon in the future. Like many geographers can tell by the monsoon, the type of the monsoon which will happen in the Indian uh, subcontinent, the produce of the crop which will happen in that year. Nature and human interaction. From the primitive age, like I told earlier, nature has influenced different aspects of human life, like food, clothing, shelter. Then with the advancement of technology, the present societies has modified the natural environment. No, the technology has helped us to reduce the harshness of labor and provided us leisure to the human being to attain the higher needs of life, like his personal life, like production, like increase of scale of production and mobility of nature. So from the humanized nature, we and the naturalized human beings. Initially, we were naturalized human beings. No, we though no the presently we have humanized the nature. So that is an interactive relationship. But concern of the geography. Geography usually tell us about the ask three types of questions. First is are the what is the identification of the pattern of nature and the culture features found over the surface of the earth. So in the what questions we see in what type of environment, in what type of the climate, what types of human beings are present, what is the vegetation there, what is the source of income there. So every these questions come under the what. Then where, distribution of natural and the cultural feature over the surface of the earth. But the main thing which makes a geography a relevant science is why. In why questions, we explain the causal relationship between the features and process and the phenomena. So, friends, in by studying the geography as a discipline, we can take notes on the spatial characteristics and attributes. We can study the pattern of distribution, location, and concentration of phenomena over the surface and interpret them, providing explanation for these phenomena. These studies help us to make the association and interrelationship between the human beings and the physical environment. That is the whole thing of this.